Hey guys, the lights are completely out as you can see. These lights aren't working in the hallway. I remember, look at this. I'm showing you guys the storm we have. Look at this. Wow, I don't even think we're having school tomorrow either. This is probably, now that guys, according to the internet, this is compared to the 2003 storm. Just look at that. This is probably the worst snow I've ever seen in my life. We don't have any heat, any power. We don't have anything right now. Look at this. Our hallway is so dark. Oh my god. This is just terrible. Look at how dark that is. Yeah, look at this. Yeah, this is probably the most snow I've ever seen in my life. I'll have to measure that and see how much that is. It's probably a good 4 inches right now. Doesn't even look like, it just doesn't even look like, it doesn't really, all it does is it just looks like, I can't even describe it. It's really hard to describe what I'm trying to say here. Sorry about that. Yeah. Wow. Even the side right there, just look at that. This is so unexpected. Yeah, and over 120,000 people in Denver have no power right now. My mom texted me earlier this morning about it. And as you can see, this is the weather conditions we have right now. It just doesn't look like something that would be from here. I feel like something that's probably from somewhere else, not from here, I don't think I've ever seen snow like this in my life. I don't even think we're having school tomorrow either. Or maybe even Friday. I don't even know. Good news is my break is next week. So even if not, I only have Thursday, Friday, and then I'm done with school until April 4th. Anyways, that's it for the video. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm getting really cold, so I'm going to go and go. See you guys later.